Hi, welcome to Ringo-Media. Hopefully we'll teach you how to maintain your Firestick device for smoother playing and trouble-free watching. This is my first video, so please bear with me. So today we're looking at how to close background applications. So first we will go to the Amazon App Store. Do a search for background apps and process lists just by typing in back. There it is. Select that one, and you see there's a few there. The first one on the left there is the one that we want. All these others are false ones. That is the only one you need. Background apps and process list with the heartbeat underneath it. Click on that, and from there we can then download it to our Firestick. Click on the download. As you can see, there's some screenshots there. It's just downloading and installing automatically. Nothing else you need to do there until it comes up open app. Open it up. It will just take a second or two to load up here, and then you'll see the program has already found 6 apps that are already open. Although they're closed on my Firestick, I'm not watching any of them. They're in the background. So we'll click on close all. Come into it. You can see you can clear the cache if you wish, uninstall it, but today we're just going to do full stop. Goes up, press the back button onto the next one, full stop. This one I'm going to miss, I'll just back key it. This one we're going to close, full close, press that and press the back button, and that will take you on to the next one. Again, this one we're going to just full stop, and that will then close that one. That one I'm going to leave because I was using it at the time. As you can see, lots have disappeared. That will help free up your memory. Thanks for watching. Bye.